To transfer cryptocurrency from Robinhood to Uniswap, start by opening the Uniswap app and clicking the Receive button to obtain your wallet address. Copy the address by clicking the copy icon next to it. Next, open the Robinhood app. Navigate to the Crypto tab at the bottom of the screen and select the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Scroll down to find the Send option. Then click on it. You can either scan a QR code or click Enter manually to paste the wallet address you copied from Uniswap. After pasting the address, click Continue and disregard any warnings that appear. Enter the amount you want to transfer and click Continue again. Double-check the details, ensuring the wallet address and amount are correct. Then submit the transfer. Once you've completed these steps, your cryptocurrency will be transferred from Robinhood to Uniswap.